Hi there, I'm Tom Monroe, the home inspector. I'm on an inspection today and I found something that is as funny as it is unbelievable. I just have to show you. So when I move around a home, I'm looking at things like the foundation, the way the building envelope connects to it, the fact that right here we've got an old concrete pad that used to be an outdoor space that they've enclosed, gas lines that look tragic. I'm looking at building envelopes, chimneys, roof lines, and I find an electrical panel on the outside of a home. Now, obviously, I've got this little door, but the door didn't actually come with a lock. I just kind of swung it open. You can see there, the lock doesn't even close, so this has just been left open. Obviously, if the power was to trip, you're gonna come outside to have to turn it on, and in case of an emergency where you have no lighting or something like that, it's gonna be a real issue. A storm happening at the same time. But obviously condensation on the outside of a home will affect the wiring inside this panel. And if you look closely, there's been so many alterations to this house over the years, and they've just continued to jam wires in. They've got mismatched breakers for the actual square D panel that they've got. They've got just wire upon wire, and you can't even open the panel all completely because they got all these wires coming down here. We've only got 100 amps of service. And they just kept putting breakers in so they can keep adding more and more wires to this home. This is an absolute disaster. And not to mention, it's on the outside of the home, exposed to the weather. So if you're out looking for a home, walk around the home and look for some key components. Walk around the outside of the home, obviously looking for things like the gas line where it goes into the house, where the electrical service comes in the house. But go inside the house, look for the hot water tank, what's actually heating the home. Look for an electrical panel. It might be behind a door, sometimes behind the master bedroom door or in the basement somewhere. Make sure those components are in locations where you think they should be before you're ready to purchase or write an offer on a home. Or you could actually have a home that has an electrical panel on the outside of the home, much like this one. It's going to cost tens of thousands of dollars to move inside the conditioned space where we know the components are going to be nice and dry, and we can actually have a panel that's properly sized for the home. If you have any home related questions you'd like me to discuss, leave them in the comments below and let's figure them out. I post videos weekly. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, I'm Tom Monroe, the Home Inspector.